Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. Much of the western United States is braced for record heat waves this week, with approximately 50 million Americans placed on alert from Tuesday for excessive temperatures, which could approach 120 degrees Fahrenheit in some areas. A prolonged and record-breaking heat wave is underway across the western US. According to the US National Weather Service, with above normal extreme high temperatures expected at least through the weekend. The heat wave, which stretches like a blob over much of the western third of the US map, extends east to west and north to south. Average temperatures in vast region are around 20 degrees Fahrenheit above the seasonal norm. With the arid desert states of Arizona and Nevada most likely to shatter records. The Arizona city of Phoenix experienced temperatures of 115 degrees Fahrenheit on Monday. But forecasters predict it could pass 118 degrees by the end of the week, which lows in the upper 80s at night. Las Vegas, neighboring Nevada, is suffering its most extreme prolonged heat wave since early summer of 2013. According to local media, and the city by Wednesday could near its decades-old temperature record of 117 degrees Fahrenheit set in 1940. Authorities have opened cooling stations for vulnerable residents without access to air conditioning and called on social media influencers to help warn the public on the impact of extreme heat on pets. The highest temperature ever officially recorded was in nearby Death Valley at 131 degrees Fahrenheit back in 1913. Officials fear that the heat arriving so early in the year could lead to deadly forest fires aggravated by chronic drought in the American West. Some 88% of the region is in a state of drought, including all of California and Nevada, according to the latest government surveys. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.